Hey guys, doing a lot of stuff here today. First day I've been able to work on Betty. And the first modification that we're going to do, that people do on most BMWs, is you have the chrome kidney grills, which don't look good. It's not a real good look. So what I've done, I made a new friend online who had these for sale. There's some black ones that fit right in there. So I'm going to take these out. First you got to do, you have four. Let's see if I can get them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 T25s. These are already loose, which bothers me. I'm not going to take the whole bumper off. You could do that. Let me set that down on the ground. That's a great place to put it. There. Let's try this. Now I've got my tripod up. I've got a little magnetic tray to hold the bolts when they come out. Fun. Now with all four of those out, this should move far enough forward for me to get my hands in here, my big hands, and start unclipping. Let's see. 1 second, guys. Plastic pry tool. Let's see if we can do this without breaking stuff. working? There we go. We're going to leave that in there. We were. Another one off. Give me a second, guys. And that took a lot longer than I thought. And it was a lot harder than I thought. That was not a 5-minute job. I lied. And of course, I don't have all the tools I need. With those kidney grills taken out, I definitely want to clean it up the best I can before I put the new ones in, just to try to keep it. I'm already in here. Those are always famous last words. I'm already in here. I might as well do XYZ. That's how a 5-minute job turns into 7 days. Anyway, new black kidney grill. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Well, either this is not a E92 bumper, or the grills he gave me are not for an E92. Let me do some checking. I'll be right back. The reason I'm not saying that is because these little tabs, there's 3 on the top, 1, 2, 3, are a couple of millimeters off. So none of them fit in the right place. Let me do some checking. I'll be right back. Well, guys, after about an hour and a half, 2 hours of playing with those kidney grills, come to the realization that they're not the right size. The guy that sold them to me said they were for an E92, but it's just a couple of millimeters off on the clips that clip in there. Just so you guys know, I'm doing this build on a budget. I got a real good deal on the car. All the parts and stuff, I'm going to try and do all the work, or as much as I can myself. So for the kidney grills, I went cheap because I was pissed off and ready to get things done. So what I did They are now black. And yes, I cheaped out and I painted them. Scuffed them up with a green Scotch pad. Put a couple coats of black gloss enamel on there. 5 feet away, you can't tell. It's probably the same way I'm gonna fix the curb rash on the tires. But she is now pretty clean. She's been vacuumed inside. She hasn't been detailed inside, but she's been vacuumed. I got all the dirt off of her that I can for now. And just in case anybody's curious, those are 3.5 inch pipes for the exhaust. We'll get a cold start sometime soon, but not right now. I'm tired. Washed 2 vehicles and detailed this thing and fought with this kidney grills for a long time. I'm tired. I ordered a bunch of stuff this week. A lot of it came in today. Some of the parts for the transmission came in. I'm waiting for a new transmission oil pan. That should be here by the couple of weeks. But then we can get the transmission fixed and here in the driveway and get it actually running, because I'd like to actually take it on a drive, see what it's like. I don't know if it's ever been tuned. I know it's got all the stuff to catless downpipes, VRSF exhaust, and I think it's muffler delete at least. I haven't been under there to see yet. But with the upgraded coil packs, upgraded aluminum head, we'll see. Any questions, put them down in the comments. And every week we'll be doing more stuff. A lot of it's going to be cosmetic for now. That's fine. But we're going to make some changes and make her look a little bit more modern. Any questions, let me know. Talk to you later, guys. Take care.